Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make chapati. So we got all the ingredients. We got flour, sugar, some salt, I guess, vegetable oil, and more flour, let's say. So we're going to make it, and we're gonna cook it, or not cook it, I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna flip the chapatis here.
And with Alan's help, I'm going to make the best chapatis ever. So, well, yeah, don't forget the usual. Like, share, and subscribe with notifications
Turned on so you don't miss another video of, you don't miss another episode of our amazing cooking.
Food.
So, in front of us here, we do have the, hey, by the way, thank you so much for yet another opportunity to cook together. I will go over all the ingredients here. The main thing here is we are making chapati, flatbread, roti, whatever you want to call it. We like to call it chapo. Okay, so we have 7 cups of all-purpose flour here, and this is cup number 8, and this is just gonna be for rolling. We have 1 cup of white sugar. We have 1 tablespoonful of sodium chloride. And then we do have 1 cup of olive oil.
Olive?
Yes.
I thought which one?
Yes. Come on, let's have all the ingredients close up here. So I do have oh, I forgot to mention, this is about
water.
No, this is actually 5 cups of water, but we're gonna be using 4 cups and then add additional as needed. 7 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of olive oil for rolling, 1 tablespoonful of salt, and 1 cup of rolling. And that is all the ingredients we need for this amazing recipe. Again, thank you for your time and welcome, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Who gets a first chapo?
I don't even know.
Yeah? Put that here. Oh, this one. I didn't know I had it. Go eat your first chapati. Go eat your first fruit. Alright, so the second chapati, the first chapati disappeared. So here's the second one.
It didn't disappear.
Yep, the second one is gonna be layered up. And I'm just layering up chapati so that it can maintain its moisture so it doesn't dry up. Aha. Oh, mess. Anyway.
And guess who's helping?
I got a helper over there, so I will continue flipping.
Oh.
Okay, so while Alan is doing that, I moved my operations here so that he can help me on the other side while I do that. And I'm just rolling from here
adding some little manipulation.
And
Adding,
this is the ready one, and this is the one that's cooking.
I'm just adding manipulations to my hard work.
Yeah, so this is a bunch of rolls here, or a bunch of layers, and they're all gonna cook. Just taking their time. It's gonna be ready in no time. You wanna eat this, son?
Not yet.
Yeah.
I'm just making some perfect circle manipulations here. Because, you know, hard work
Pays
always
off.
pays off, yeah. Now we're going to get this bumpy part that I tried to sew for like a million years. And we're gonna finally, it's happening. It's being sewed once and for all. Maybe not for all. Makes sense. Why I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, this little part should be done, and boom!
Good job.
Complete!
You're done. Good job. Awesome, you fixed it.
Yay!
You wanna do another one?
Just some sewing.
You wanna do another one or no?
Yes. I would love to.
You would love to do another one? Go eat that first one. Go taste it. Tell us how it tastes like.
Hold on a second. Speed up the video. I'll do that. Just send me a close-up of me washing my hands for like 30 seconds, I guess. Please? Please? Close-up of me washing my hands for 30 seconds, I guess.
Those are coming on real good.